I'm excited to show you guys the new RoboDot Touch, which is the successor to the original RoboDot. This unit is a little bit more portable, fits in the palm of your hand. Runtime is more than the original, which is above 10 hours. It's got a touch screen, so you can see exactly what's going on, get feedback from the device without having to use a cell phone or an app. It's got a threaded insert, 1/4 so you can use basic tripods, or if you want, you can use our threaded adapter, which is 2 centimeters tall, and it's got flats on it, so if it locks on your 5/8 thread, you can easily unlock it. Just goes right on there like that. If you opt for the radio, you'll have a 900 megahertz radio capability, which lets you do rover base operations or base repeater operations, so you can be farther away from the base station. So let's give it a go here and see what it does. I'm going to click the power button, and we've got USB-C for charging. We've got an LED over here that lets us know what's going on from a distance. The splash screen here, it's telling us that it's booting. Now, first page shows us some basic health information about what the RoboDot is doing. We've got the battery life, we've got the mode, we've got GPS time. That way we can reference our work to GPS time when we're looking at Rhinex files. Those are always going to be in GPS time. Most importantly, our network information. That way we can access the RoboDot if necessary over the web app. We've got the settings page. It lets you know how the RoboDot's configured, so you know exactly what kind of behaviors to expect. If it's not what you expect, you can go in via the web app and make those changes. Then we've got the GNSS page, which gives us, the latitude, longitude, altitude of the base position. And you also have this QR code, which if you scan it with your cell phone, gives you the opportunity to copy all that information, text it somewhere, save it in your notes. And the QR code on the main page, actually if you scan that, your phone will navigate to the web app, so you don't have to type in the IP address. So that touchscreen really saves a lot of time. In certain workflows, you never have to use an external device. And that's the RoboDot Touch in a nutshell.